Hey everybody, it's me Awista Anwar, and in today's lesson we'll read unit number 8, grade 3, Saving Resources. English language based on the One Nation, One curriculum. So let's start. Unit number 8, Saving Resources. Getting started. Look at the given pictures and discuss the natural resources. Air, water, land. Let's talk. Read and practice the given dialogue. Hina and Shehla. Assalamu alaikum, Shehla. Walaikum assalam. How are you? I'm fine, and how are you? Good. It's very hot today. Yes, it hasn't rained for the last few days. It's cloudy today. It might rain. Yes, it will be cool then. There goes the bell. Let's go for the morning assembly. They both run to join their classes for the morning assembly. Saving resources. Nature has provided us many gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, mineral plants, and animals. We need to conserve these resources. Life on Earth would not have been possible without any of these. All these natural resources make life worth living on Earth. Many of the resources are being used more than the quantity of production. The need for these has increased because of overpopulation. Water. Humans, animals, and plants all need water to survive. It is important for our daily life. It has many uses. We all must make every effort to use water carefully to avoid wastage. If we continue wasting water, there'll be shortage of it in the near future. Must do. Check water leakages in the house and school. Do not waste water by taking long shower. Turn off tap while brushing teeth and washing hands. Do not waste water while drinking from the cooler at school. Water your lawn and plants only when needed. The car should be washed with a bucket of water. Electricity. Switch off extra lights and fans to save electricity. Switch over to energy saving methods and LEDs. These days, solar energy is another method that can help in saving electricity. Here are a few points to follow to save electricity. We must do: turn off unnecessary lights, use natural light, unplug unused electronics, switch off air conditioners when not at home, dry your wet clothes in the sun. Paper. Paper is made of trees. Increased use of paper means more trees will be cut down. Cutting down trees pollutes the environment. We should only use as much paper as is needed. We all must spread awareness about saving of natural resources. It can be achieved only when people understand their importance. They should know methods to conserve water, electricity, and other natural resources. It is essential to plant more trees. We should make every effort not to pollute air. So that's it for today's lesson, everybody. I hope you learned something new today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Compete Education Pakistan. Like this video and also make sure to share it with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.